Hello students, we are going to discuss question number 11th, 12th and 13th of exercise 3.3. Other all we done, left questions 11, 12 and 13. Question number 11th, find the least number which must be added to 5608 to make a perfect square. Before this question we are going to discuss example. Find the smallest number which must be added 543291 to make a perfect square. Perfect square is given. What we have to do? Perfect square 543291. Statement is 543291. What we can do? What we can do if the given question, find the smallest number which must be added to this number to make a perfect square. What we can do? First of all, find the square root. Find the square root by the long division method. If we have to find smallest number which must be added or find the smallest number which must be subtracted. Okay, what we have to do? First of all, make the square root. Find the square root of the number which is given. Make the pairing from the back side. 54. Choose a number whose square is equals or less than 54. The number 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. Here we started 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 54 minus 9 is 5. Here 532. You all know how to find the long division method. How to find square root by long division method. 7 plus 7. Now what we can do? Add these two numbers. 7 plus 7, this is 14. Write a number. Choose a number to which we can multiply here and here. Which we can multiply. If we will multiply 142 with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. If we multiply 143 with 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 1 4. If we multiply 144 with 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 17, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5, 576. We have to choose a number by which we can multiply to get number less than equals to 532. Means the number is 3. If we multiply 143 with 3. If we multiply 143 with 3, the answer we get 429. Now subtract 429 from 532. It becomes 103 and this 9 1 in pair we will remove downside. Now what we have to do? 14, these two digits write as it is. This 3 and this 3. Add both. 3 plus 3, 6. Now here by which number we will multiply? We can multiply by 7. You can check the number answer will come less than 10391. That the answer is 10269. When we will subtract, we got answer 72. Only 72. What we have to do now? Our answer came 337. Sorry. Our answer came 337. What we have to do? We have to do square of this number plus next. Why the next number? That I am telling. Wait. 338 square. 337 square and 338 square. 337 by the squaring 337 multiply 337. You will get answer. You will get answer that is 543169. And when you will multiply 338 with the 338, you will get answer 544644. You can multiply and find answer. Now you see your statement is, what was our question? Question 543291. 543291. 543291. Which is lies between in these two numbers? 544644 is greater than this number and 543169 is less than this number. Means we can write 543169 less than this number, less than this 544644. Means the largest number is this and smallest number is this. What you have to do next? Whose number square is this? This is 737 square. 543291. Whose number square is this? This is 738 square. What you have to do? We have to find the smallest number which must be added to make a perfect square. Which must be added to make a perfect square. What we can do? Which is largest number? Which is our largest number? That is 4. Subtract previous number, which is our statement, from the largest number. Subtract minus 543291. Answer 13531. If we add 1353 in our statement, we will get 544644, which is the square of 538. Means what is the smallest number which we add to make this number a perfect square? The smallest number will be added is 1353. This is our answer. Clear question? Now check our exercise 3.3. This question, 11th question. Question number 11th. Question number 11th. Find the least number which must be added to 5608 to make a perfect square. What we can do? Similarly, find the square root of 5608. Okay. Pairing from back side. 56 number. Choose a number whose square is less than equals to 7. Less than equals to 56. 7 sevens are 49. 56 minus 49. 56 minus 49 is 7. 708. 7 plus 7 is 14. By which number we can multiply? 144. 4s are 576. Here 2, 3. Answer 132. Left answer 132. Means it comes near about 74. What we can write similarly as the previous question? 74 square, which we answer got 74 square. 74 multiply 74. This answer will come 5476. And next of 75 square. 75 multiply 75. This is 5625. 5625. Now what is our statement? 5608, which is lies between in these two terms. Means what is the smallest number? 5476. Less than our statement 5608, less than 5625. Written. Which number square it is? This is the square of 75. 5608 lies between 74 square and 75 square. If we have to add, take care of this thing. If we have to add, from the smallest number you will subtract to your statement. If we have to subtract from your statement, you will subtract the lowest number. Now we have to add the smallest number. Smallest number is equals to 5625 minus 5608. This is equals to 17. This is equals to 17. Our answer. This is the answer. Understood? Now see next question. Question number 12. Find the least number that should be subtracted from 1456. What should be subtracted from 1456 to make a perfect square? Same. 1456. Number less than. Take a number whose square is less than equals to 14. There is a number 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 1456. Subtract. This is 556. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Let us